Mortals have two choices. Follow me, or don't.
Hi, I'm Kiriko. Today, I'm cosplaying as Ahri from League of Legends. As you can tell, this is a spirit blossom skin. So, today, we are gonna make a cocktail inspired by this skin. Let's get started. To start with, get a cup of ice. Then, you will need 25 ml of gin. Oh? Our next ingredient will be rose lemonade or pink lemonade. Now, let's mix it. Then, we need to bring out our next ingredient. I'm using it because I want the cocktail to be baby blue and pink, so it matches the spirit blossom light. So, get your spoon, we're gonna make the layers. Perfect! I feel like we should top a little bit more of lemonade. Finally, let's garnish with a rice paper flower or green flower if you have one. So this is how to make spirit blossom. Enjoy! See you next time!
Subscribe.